Guys, this day has been a long time coming. Yes, that's right. We finally get rid of this beautiful machine with the little taped cruise control. So it's been a lot of years working towards this day where I actually get to go and purchase my very first car that I will be using for YouTube. And the beautiful part of it is that you guys are technically paying for it, which is freaking amazing. So I'm gonna go pick up my brother. We're gonna drive to Red Deer. He's gonna drive me there, bring this car home. We're gonna pick up my new 2022 Subaru BRZ Z, whatever, wherever you're from. I'm just gonna say Z because I'm a little lazy. But yeah, guys, today, oh, good day. Let's just go. I'm so stoked. For those of you who are new to the channel, hey, my name's Alex. I'm an automotive photographer and videographer from Calgary. And recently we just hit 40,000 subscribers, guys. I am absolutely blown away by your support. And now we finally get to have a car that I can shoot on my own. I don't have to go call dealers or work with other companies to shoot cars. I can teach you guys how to shoot cars on my own with my own car. So if you guys like cars, which you're probably here for the Subaru BRZ, feel free to subscribe because we're going to be doing a lot of shooting and a lot of content with this car, and I'm really excited. Yo, bro.
What's up?
Oh, I see you brought the vape for me.
Yeah.
Because I'm getting a Subaru, and apparently I need to have one of those. Alright, we've arrived at Scott Subaru here in Red Deer. These guys have been awesome. I don't know if you guys watched my last video, but we already kind of took this car out and then officially did like some car photography with it, but now I want to buy it. Oh my gosh, I have my name on it. That's amazing. This is my car. So for those of you guys that know, I'm a huge fan of Porsche, but at this point in the YouTube journey and my life journey, that's just like not in the cards right now. So you guys know I have this Porsche key tag, and I'm super excited to actually put this on my Subaru key tag. I don't know if that's blasphemy or something, but it just keeps reminding me of the goals, where we're going. But this is kind of the closest thing I can get to like the Cayman GT4 as it stands. So I mean, this is a pretty good platform to start with, and I'm ridiculously excited. So we've got the registry, then we're gonna go back and pick up the car, and then we're on our way home. Christmas came early, boys. Christmas came early. Here it is, boys. This is officially my car, which is so insane. This has been such a long time coming, and this is it. World Rally Blue, the Sport Tech manual. Frickin' frack. It's so cold up here. I think it's like -10. So we're just gonna get in the car. I'm gonna show you guys the first drive, and we're gonna take this thing home. We've got an hour and a half drive back to Calgary. Huge shout out to Scott Subaru, because I think we might have the first Subaru BRZ in Canada, possibly in Alberta, because when I went to get this registered, they couldn't even find like the registration number for this car. They had to actually put it into the system. So we may have the first Subaru BRZ in Canada, which is pretty nuts. Anyway, super stoked to be done with that thing. I've put in my time, and now we get to drive manual, have a good time. So yeah, let's get out of here. Boys, we are in our freaking brand new car. We did this. You, me, us, YouTube. Whew. This is why we do it, boys. I will say this car is quiet. It's quite quiet, and we probably will need to fix that at some point. Yes, I would love to, like absolutely love to modify this car. It will be happening in due time. I live in Calgary, Alberta, and we get quite a bit of snow, and I will be winter driving this. So if you are curious about a winter driven BRZ, subscribe, because that's what we're gonna be doing. And I will have to chat with my friends over at Posh Detailing, Eric and Derek over there, because they're gonna need to protect this thing for me. I think we're gonna do some kind of wraps, either the expel protection, something just to make sure that this thing doesn't get crazy damaged with rock chips. This is a good start, such a good start, and such a good platform to build, you know, like we get to customize this, we get to make it our own, we get to make this feel like the car creative car, and that just makes me just like beyond. Okay, doesn't sound great, but we'll get there. I definitely think the 2.4 liter compared to the 2 liter is quite a bit throatier, sounds deeper, feels like it's just got more oomph to it, that's for sure. Like, you really aren't lacking where you were in the other one. So the tech in here is so cool. I'm so happy to have Apple CarPlay. That is such a win. The tech and the tachometer and stuff up here, so sweet to have, like, it all digital, and the fact that it's all like in the shape and resembles the Boxer engine, I think is super cool. But we've got a long drive home, and I'll pick up with you guys back in Calgary. Okay, so it's really beautiful out. I think we're gonna grab some photos really quick, but let me walk you through the car here. We've got it in the World Rally Blue color. We've got the Sport Tech Edition. It is the manual, which means that you don't really get any of the safety features on it, but we've got the 18-inch rims that are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. They look pretty sweet. Again, there's quite a bit of a gap there that we're gonna need to deal with at some point. I love the headlights. For me, the headlights on the BRZ look a lot nicer than the 8.6. Again, this is just personal opinion, so feel free to disagree in the comments down below. The grille for me is good. It's nice. I like the simplicity of the 8.6 grille, but I think once you put one of the lip spoilers down there, this is gonna look pretty sporty, pretty sexy looking, if you ask me. Now the rear is a huge point for people who maybe do or do not like it. I freaking love it. To me, it's the NSX vibes that I'm really stoked on. What do you guys think? I love the tail lights. They are so sick. And if you look really closely, you can see kind of these like wingish looking designs on them. It's nice that you actually get a latch to undo the trunk in here. Previously, I don't think you had that. You had to unlock it from inside the car. And a backup camera, which is sweet. And it'll take you inside because we've got the Sport Tech Edition, which means that we've got these upgraded seats. They're like partly leather and like partly, I don't know if this is Alcantara necessarily, but really nice seats, and they're very comfortable. And of course you've got like Alcantara on the sides here. This is like a leather finishing here. That's McDonald's. Really nice digital dash here. Heated seats, which I'll need here in Canada. And then the infotainment system is quite good. I'm breaking in the system with my favorite band, Coldplay, as it should be. We've got automatic modes there, push start, manual. Woo! Save the manuals, baby. We've got a useless back seat that I use for pretty much gear. We can fold those seats down and see where it goes, but there it is. So I'm gonna take some photos with the car before all of our light goes away. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you would stick around, so click that subscribe button. We're gonna be doing a lot more with this car in the future, both with photography, and hopefully we will be building it out, starting with hopefully getting the wrap done it. We gotta get some winter tires put on this thing so we can do some winter driving. But I'm just unbelievably grateful to you guys, because I would not have this car if it was not for YouTube. So this is a humble start, we're gonna call it, because we all know we're shooting for the moon. We're trying to get to Porsche, but this is a beautiful start, and I'm so excited about it, guys. This is gonna be a ton of fun. So yeah, make sure you hit this like button. Ask any questions you might have about the Subaru BRZ down below, and I'll answer everything that I can for you. Make sure to come check me out on Instagram. I've even started a profile just for this car, so that the Car Creative channel doesn't just become about the BRZ. I've made a new channel called the Car Creative _BRZ. So go check that out. It'll be more candid content, won't be as curated, but I'm super excited about it, guys, and I hope that you are too. So thanks so much for being a part of the journey, and I do hope to see you in the next one. Peace.